Yes, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another fun fair vlog. Welcome back to Scotland for the second vlog in Scotland on our little winter road trip. There we go. We're at Braehead on this occasion, and it is the third time that we've been here. But we're here because there is a brand new ride, and we'll show you that, take you on it, and tell you our thoughts on it very soon, as well as show you what else is here at the Braehead Shopping Centre in Glasgow. But before we do that, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, completely free to do so, and follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, X, Threads, TikTok. Now, we've been here for about 3 hours, and we was hoping that the weather might be a little bit better. It has improved. You might not think it, but it's got better than it was earlier. It's still raining, but not as much. We're trying to avoid it. I'm currently hiding under this canopy. I am joined by Theo.
Hi.
Theo, we have a brand new
Air raid.
ride to do.
Air raid.
It is Air Raid. Air Raid 2, should I say. You've not even done the original yet. No, it's not. Theo's got a new extreme to do. I've got a new extreme to do, and a lot of other people have got a new extreme to do, because Air Raid is finally here. There it is, and I'm going to tell you right now, when you see this ride in this vlog, or any photos of mine, or probably anyone else's, those photos, this video will not give it enough justice of how well presented this ride is. Seriously, it is absolutely amazing. Now, this was rumoured to debut at the Irn-Bru Carnival. It is due to go there, but it's managed to come here because what's normally here is Starfighter, and of course Starfighter's having a bit of a makeover at the moment, which is what normally we ride here. So it's got a replacement, it's Air Raid, and I think it's a fantastic idea because we've been able to come and do it before it goes to the SCC, something like that. Megan is with us. Megan, we've been here for ages, but we've been successful in our journey.
Oh, we have had a great day into, to be fair. Well, we've had a successful day, really. We've been to a play area with the kids, they love that. And then we've smashed off some Christmas shopping. We've even bought Christmas cards, and that's a big achievement for us by the 10th of December.
Absolutely.
Good job.
And we've got Margot with us, who is, hiya. Oh, no, that camera again.
Oh, hey girl. Oh, hang on.
Oh, you pick a nose. Ain't my fault. Yes.
Back in now.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, so there we go. Happy days. So yeah, Megan and Margot are with us. We were going to come here and film this whilst these two are in the shopping centre, but like I said, the weather, we've been trying to avoid the rain. It's not too bad now, so hopefully it stays like this, and get a decent POV, a good experience of this. Well, obviously, yeah, it's going to be the first ride, don't you worry. And we'll show you a bit more details of the ride very shortly as well. I'll get a bit closer to it. May as well show you what else is here, because there is a fairground here. It's not just the one ride. This is all presented, I believe, by Hiscoes, who are here quite often. And like I said, this is the third time that we've been here. We came at the start of 2022. We came at the end of 2022. And I think it's the first time we came here this year. It is at the shopping centre, which is into Braehead. Well, we've been in there. It's not that big. Obviously, I'm comparing against Trafford Centre. Let's show you what else is here. Obviously, it's raining still, so I will have to wipe the lens now and again. As far as this GoPro's still working. We have got, I don't know fully whose the rides are, but we have got a Paratrooper. It goes quite fast.
Yeah, it looks fast.
We love fast paratroopers. Now, there's quite a few paratroopers in Scotland. I've seen quite a few, done a few. I can't think if we've seen or done this one before. Looking at it, I don't think I've done this one, let alone seen it. I'm not too sure whose it is. I'm sure people will be like, oh, it's this person, it's this person. But it looks quite tidy, if I'm honest with you. And like Theo said, it's quite fast. I haven't actually seen it go around yet, so... what else is here? We've got some coin ops, got little orbiters. Seen and done loads of times, the crazy jungle funhouse. We've seen this year. We did this, where did we do that? It was in Scotland. I'll tell you where it was. It was at Queensferry, but it was on its last day. And it packed up that night and went to St Andrews, and then we saw it the next day. So we've seen it twice this year, maybe 3 times.
Where you're doing that?
They've got another one in the family called Jungle Madness, which is another fun house that goes to where is it? I think it's in Rainton Arena right now in the northeast. So we've done this a few times. So Theo's going to drag me on that as usual. Juveniles here. Oh, is that a mini waltzer? It is! Got that, Margot on that. Maybe not. We've got a toy set here, we've got Hooker Duck. We have got a Miami. Now Miami, this is never been able to ride by Theo. Theo, are you tall enough? Theo's officially tall enough for this Miami. Woo! He's not been able to ride this before. And now he's tall enough, finally, after all this time, he can now ride this Miami. So we got Miami to do today, haven't we?
Yeah.
Also familiar, we've done this a few times, this drop tower. I believe this is Hiscoes, I believe that's Hiscoes. This is the drop tower that we've done several times, or drop zone. It's not a drop tower, well it is, isn't it? It's quite good, I like this. It is quite small, but it's bigger than your normal ones you see. Just about fitting the seats, I must add as well. Got trampolines here. We've got the balloon set here, and then as always we see this is their twist for what I believe. I'm sure this is Hiscoes. Yeah, their twist is here, and we've seen this and done this before, and typically I'm pretty sure last year we did that in the rain. And it goes backwards as well, I've just noticed. It goes backwards then forwards. And that is what is here at Braehead. I'll put some information about it in the description below.
Miami.
What?
First ride Miami.
No, it's not. You've already
Miami.
No, it's not. It's air raid.
Miami.
I'll put things in the description below of when it's on sale. I'm pretty sure this runs into January. Not too sure what the date is off the top of my head. I'll try and find out. Easy to get to. It's off the M8 near Glasgow. Free parking because it's on a shopping centre. And from what I've seen, it's like £3 a ride, I think. Which is good because prices of rides have gone up quite a lot considerably recently. And for something that's on a shopping centre, car park, or it's not, it's a shopping centre area, it's actually quite reasonable. Right, hopefully I'm not going to have to wipe this lens too often because I need to get a crisp-ish POV of air raid for you guys to see. I'll show you a little bit up close up to it and everything as well, and then I'll tell you what I think of it, because look at it.
It takes years to complete and just one ride to feel it.
Theo looks absolutely amazing. Let's do it. Look at this. Ignore, it looks glitchy, but that's just my GoPro doing it. Let's show you the queue line. Look at this, he's literally trying to keep it ready. It looks like it's just come out of the factory. Look at it, I love these signs. Brilliant, I remember all the teasers that this ride gave, and those teasers were brilliant. But to see this now, look at Theo. You can't sit there, sit in that one. I'm just going to show you the ride before we go on it, because look. I'll probably get copyrighted, I don't care, it's worth it. Look at this backflash. Now I had in my mind a colour set for the backflash, and it was like a teal green with the metallic, but this is it, this is exactly what I expected. Again, pictures do not give it justice at all. That top sign. It's brilliant. I hope Sam Smith doesn't copyright me to the point where you can't see it. Well, yeah, it's exciting. Right, the big question is, how does this ride? There's only one way to find out, guys.
It takes years to become a pilot, and just one ride to feel like one.
Okay, sit back, hold tight, let's do it.
The best part about this right now is that it's not raining, which means I don't have to wipe the lens, hopefully. I've been waiting 3 hours for the rain to stop. Oh yeah, some great music as well.
You ready, you ready, you ready, you ready?
Are you ready to rock the power of
Also, he's running it on manual.
Let me see you touching the Braehead sky out there.
Theo's got his arms up. Get up higher. Here comes the speed. Oh yes! I like it when it does the stop motion.
Okay.
Da, 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 da.
Somebody make some noise.
Woo! Oh, now here we go.
Up to the sky. You rock me every boy. You slowing it down.
Oh wow! Whoa! Oh my god, this goes well high! If you can see the stripes above you, you know you're going high. Oh my god!
You loving it, loving it, loving it.
That was high.
Higher!
Theo wants to go higher.
Okay, well, do you want to do it one more time?
Yeah!
You rocking Wilmots Attractions here, right? Right. You ready? You ready?
Higher!
4, 3, 2.
Are you ready?
So, here we go, 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 here we go.
I tell you what, I bet Mitchell's missed this.
Everybody just scream!
Woo!
Rocky number 1.
Oh my life! Woo!
Higher!
Power machine.
They must try again! Not try again!
It is an intro.
Thank you for riding the air raid.
Yeah, thanks for running. Push your safety belts on.
Air Raid 2 is finally out and finally travelling. So do keep an eye on this for next year. It is going to the Iron Brew. It won't be running the cycle you've just seen. It'll probably be running a automatic cycle. And if you've done these Tivoli remixes in the past, namely like Void, for example, they have the same run on it as well. So the manual program is the same. Sorry, automatic program is the same. So what you've done at the Iron Brew last year will be similar on that occasion, but I absolutely love and I applaud him for running it on a manual cycle. I just think that's what they should be running. That's my opinion. But forget about the ride. I just can't. I said to Mitchell just then about the lights really do make this ride, and he says he can have it have whatever program he wants. He can put it on any colour he wants, which is nice. But I said, seriously, don't change it. The way this is going now is amazing. The white lights going across the backflash there, when they go across the arms, and they go across the queue line as well. Seriously, look. And if you're not able to get up to Scotland, who knows where it'll travel. I'm not too sure where he's going to be taking this. Now the question as well is, he does have the original air raid, and I'm sure you'll be wanting to know where that's going. Look at the arms. Now he has a plan. He's not selling it, so that's good. That's a good thing. So we need to catch air raid, because Theo's not done the original air raid yet. So there's another extreme he needs to do. Now,
I'm going inside.
oh, okay, no worries. You get warm. Theo, I need to know your thoughts on air raid 2.
Good.
Yeah? Okay. Anything else? Now, you mentioned about how high it went. You liked that bit, didn't you?
Yeah.
And you want a bit more of that, you said?
I'll say a bit more higher.
Yeah, it doesn't go any higher than that, though. Yeah. He's going to be playing with it a little bit. I think with it being new, he's going to do little things. So you might get a different cycle next year. It might go faster, it might not. It might go higher, it might do shorter cycles, longer cycles. I don't know. Who knows? But I'm so glad to see it.
So high cycle.
Yeah.
That.
What? The what?
The crazy jungle.
Why do we need to do a funhouse? We're not here just to do air raid. Obviously, we're going to sample the other rides. Now, other than the Miami, and I think that we've done all the rides before, so we do need to do the Miami. It is a lap bar Miami. I'll probably do that as well. What?
Crazy jungle.
Right, we're going to do Crazy Jungle, the funhouse. Yay. Has he got a slide? We'll find out, won't we? I've done this loads of times and I always forget what a funhouse does. Well, this one anyway. Look at that. No stopping this guy, is there? Slow down, Hercules! Slow down! Do it without me! It's not going to slow down by you stepping on it, is there? Look at this. This is how you do. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, get to the top, you! Oh my god! I've lost the rhythm. It does make it easier when you've got the bars on it, though. Yeah. You just know I'm going to struggle through that, don't you? Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Whoosh. Oh, yes. Oh, maybe not. This one's a lot narrower than the other two. Right, narrow at the top. Here's a view of the fair from the top of the funhouse. And now I need to take some photos for Facebook. And for those very photos, you can see them on my Facebook page, PT Vlogs UK. Oh, that is steep, isn't it?
What's this? The helmet.
Oh, no. No, I can't do that. Do you go down that fast? How fast am I going to go down?
Yeah, I don't know. But this is how fast.
I'm going to put the wall through if I do it.
Do it.
Do it. Okay, okay. Whoa! Yeah. Right, here we go, here we go. Don't push me. No! Right, let me just go down myself, you little turd. Well, these jeans don't do any favours. Whoa! Yeah, loads of fun. Yeah, guess what? I am not doing that. Oh my god!
Yeah, that was fun.
You enjoy that, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Go on then.
Look at it.
Go on then. They've reinforced that one. Theo, do the moonwalk.
Moonwalk.
Yeah.
Ha.
Go on then. Do you know what the moonwalk is?
Yeah, but I don't know how to do it. Yeah.
Try and do it.
No.
Why not?
I can't.
Can I go through now?
No.
It's quite fast this.
You want to get past me?
Yeah, okay. Oh my god, don't make this any harder than it actually is.
You're in it.
Move out of the way, you little turnip! Oh my god! That was close. Too close to me. Do I really want to try this? Of course you want me to do it, don't you? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No, 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 that's not happening. Yeah, are you done yet, T? Skip that. What are you doing? I'm not spinning on them. I'm going to avoid them. Well, that's the funhouse. It looks really small, but there's actually quite a lot going on in there. Theo could probably spend about 2 hours in this. Come on.
This is so bored.
Spin! Spin on it! Do the moonwalk on them! Billie Jean is not my... Yeah, nearly! Look at those moves! Look at it! Okay, you can come off now. Like I say, you could spend a while on them. Yeah, that's the funhouse. How was that? Did you say yeah?
Yeah. When I went 1,000 miles per hour down the slide.
Yeah. Is that your highlight? Yeah. How many times did you go down the slide?
5 times. No, 10.
That's 5 more times than I wanted to. Are we going to do the Miami then? Now, I don't want to sound contradictory, whatever the word is. I'm not a massive fan of Miami's, but I do like black bar ones because they give the air time a bit more and less restriction in the shoulder. So I like it for that reason. I like sitting on the end as well. And we've not done this before. You've not done this before, have you? You've always been too short. So for the reason of Theo being able to finally ride it after all this time, we're going to do it for that reason. Welcome to the party.
Right, so then hold tight, here we go, you ready guys?
Oh my god. Oh my god!
You ready?
Why is this a lot faster than I thought it was going to be?
You have the power, let's increase the speed, let's keep flying,
Oh my life! Alright, slower this way. But only a little bit.
Here we go, moving and shakers, are you ready?
Tell you what, I've been missing out on this ride for a while, haven't we? Theo's not even sat next to me. He's down there. Look at him. Oh my life. Oh. I tell you what, there's some power in these motors. Whoa. And the bar doesn't hurt your legs on this one. That's great to know.
You guys are party on and right away, you go.
Oh, here you go this way again. Woo!
You're ready for this one.
Oh, which way are we going? Which way are we going, T? He thinks we're going that way. You're wrong, T! Face. Yeah, I do. I'm starting to prefer these lap bar. Oh, we're going again. I prefer these lap bar ones to the overhead restraints. They've grown on me a lot more. Oh, that was good. That. Oh, we're going again.
Well, guys, we have the lead for speed one more time.
Ooh. Oh, that's rapid.
Come on, guys, and exit to your left-hand side. Please take your time on stand, guys. Take your time.
I'll tell you what, that's like a little pocket rocket. That was well fast. That was a lot quicker than I was expecting it to be. I do think now, thinking about it, I've seen when I've been here in the past and I've seen it go. I'm pretty sure I've seen it go pretty fast. So that might be what it was. Pretty quick. Hey Theo, you didn't sit next to me. What gives? How was it?
Good.
Yeah. Did you fly out your seat?
Yeah.
I think that's the. Yeah, you sat in the middle. Yeah, finally, after all this time, Theo's now tall enough to ride this Miami. I tell you what, he's not far off the line though. He's only just over it.
We're doing that.
What are we doing? We're doing the drop tower or drop zone. Okay, just for you, yeah? We'll do drop zone. And I tell you what though, having said that, you're gonna hear us doing a lot of giggling because this is quite a funny ride.
Yeah, it goes up, and it just goes straight down, don't even stop.
Well, that's the best thing about it. I think it's 1 metre to ride as well for those that are wanting to know.
What?
Oh, about 1 metre.
1.1
Oh, we've got dramatic music.
All systems stand by to transmit. Now, open your ears and get ready for takeoff.
Go already.
Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that music. Right, here we go. Like I say, you'll hear a lot of giggling from Theo. And probably myself. What?
I mean, you.
What do you mean? Oh man, these are so good. We'll have a big drop coming up, I think. This one's usually a big drop, I think. Whoa! No, maybe not. Way! See, you're giggling. Are we
I'm
gonna
not gonna go on this one.
Way!
I'm gonna
Oh. Hey!
Hands up in the air.
I mean, I'll put my arms out just so then the GoPro's got the arms out like this. Oh, yeah. One more time. Whoa! Oh. Whee! And again. Hey! And again. Oh my life. You get a lot of drops on this, don't you?
Yeah, 21.
Woo! Oh my god. Way! Whoa, that was a long one.
That's a bad idea what I just did.
What did you do?
My legs up.
Go on then, put your legs out again. Keep your legs there.
No, my legs are...
Oh wow.
Now I'm going on it again. Put the food on all time.
The POV says it all, if I'm honest with you. I said we'd do a lot of giggling. How fast it goes.
I didn't really do a lot.
Woo. Yeah, it's good. My only qualm about it, and I've said this before, the seats are too thin. How was drop zone?
Good. Not that giggly.
just good.
Not that giggly.
What?
Not that giggly.
Not that what?
Giggly.
What do you mean I was? I was having the time of my life. What are we doing now? Paratrooper. I'm pretty sure pretty sure we've not done this before. Oh, I didn't see that. There's a grotto here. Yeah, I can't show you it because you have to pay to go in, but yeah, it's nice. Right, let's do this. Theo, have we done this before, Theo, though? You don't know? No, we haven't. What?
I don't know.
Right, okay.
And the pictures in that book.
Go on then. Terrible. Okay, let's do a Paratrooper. I'm sure we've never done this before. So I'm told this was here last year. I don't remember it. And Theo sat on his own. I don't mind because he look how chilled he is. Even I don't sit like that. This is a ride that I used to go on a lot when I was younger. With my dad. In fact, my dad used to feel sick. That's funny. Do you know what? I don't think he could tolerate it anymore. Look at it. Oh, it's gone higher. Oh, the T's on it. It went halfway and then it went all the way. I like that. So I was like, oh, is that the highest it goes? Now we're at max height. Glad we held out for the rain. It's not rained much at all since we started the vlog. Chilled Theo is on these rides. He just sat like this. I can't even move like that. He's like got his arm over the back like this. What a long cycle you get on this. Another ride at £3. I have to applaud the guys running this fair for keeping the prices low. Some people might think £3 a lot, but you've got to think about all the other events that are going on in the UK and how expensive some of them are. Especially when they're giving back a good return on the ride. Pretty high. Theo Theo did say, didn't you, how high it went, didn't you?
What?
Oh, sorry, you said how fast it went.
No, I said nothing about that.
You said it went pretty quick. He did.
I said nothing about that.
What, when we walked round?
Oh yeah.
Thought I was forgetful. One more ride to do.
It's that twister.
It is. Although, wouldn't it be good? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, they're not working. Oh, no. No, Theo, they're not on. I just saw them chained up. I was about to say we could have had a dodging battle. That would have, look at you. That would have been really good. Oh. No, they're not on because the battery operated, so they would have taken the batteries out. Never mind. We still have one more ride to do. Oh, could you imagine? Dodging battles on an orbiter. Yeah, we're going to do the twister for the final ride, which I believe is Hiscoes. So it's not a new ride, not a new twister, not a new form of twister. But yeah, everything's running really well here today, which I'm really surprised at, because the pricing, Theo, wait there, the pricing I think is really good, if I'm honest with you. I think the pricing's really set out quite well. So we're going to do this for the final ride because it's still not raining, and that is a godsend. Let's do this. He's not sat next to me. Theo wanted to sit in his own car. He's on the opposite side of me. See his green socks. He's wearing his Arsenal kit. I'm sure people will be thrilled to hear that. Yeah, it's a wet twist as well, so let's see how this is performing in the rain or wet conditions. It seems to be performing quite well so far.
Slide your letters, what's your friend?
I haven't got a friend. It's over there. Yeah, you don't see many twists going backwards. I know we have a few in the northwest in our area that do go backwards. But yeah, not many of these do. I feel like this is a Disney song that I'm just going to have to edit out, just because I'll copyright and all that.
We're gonna send you forward and faster this time. Are you ready?
Yeah! Sorry, I forgot what I was meant to say. The thing with regarding the copyright, you have to remember that it's not all about the copyright of demonetization or anything like that. It's more because your videos can actually get blocked. You might not know that. There's a few. I did we did a vlog last year or this year. Can't remember when it was. And the music playing blocked the video completely, so you had to edit that bit out. So bare food for thought. That's why you gotta be careful with music. That's the rules. But it does sound like a Disney song to me. So hopefully the over talking might work. Might work, might not. I don't know. Oh, it's got some speed now. this is also a song I can get in trouble for. Yeah! Oh yeah, so that's the final ride of Braehead here. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Twist the turn this year. Bob. Oh, Disney's back. Final ride here at Braehead. And what a good way to end the vlog on, because the dancing at the end. I mean, I was literally dancing in my seat. You wouldn't have seen me. Hey Theo.
Back a good time then.
Hi.
Hi.
Where did you go?
In shopping?
Again? Did you buy anything? Ah, you bought me a Christmas present.
Christmas.
Is it a new GoPro? Because I need one.
Oh yeah.
Sing with me, please.
I always get the words wrong to every song I sing. Girls just wanna have fun.
Oh, girls, they wanna have fun. Look at her.
Is that what you did,
Oh, look
Daddy?
at her, she loves it. Aw, so do you. Anyway, that's the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Looking at it, I was going to say it's a short vlog, but it's just about average. So I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Absolutely so pleased to have come here. Obviously, to get on Air Raid was the big must. When we got here at 12, it was raining, and I was a little bit concerned, especially when half the rides were shut at the time. But that's when they opened. They opened at 12 on a Sunday. So we did a bit of shopping, did a lot of weather watching, and noticed it was going to stop raining a little bit later. So we've had to forfeit Glasgow, unfortunately. We were meant to come here, film here about 12, and then go to Glasgow. I don't think we were going to film in Glasgow City Centre, but I wanted to go to Glasgow. So I've not been to Glasgow City Centre before, and of course with the booster being there, which is Booster Max or what's called Blizzard, and a few other rides, I wanted to see them there, and of course Theo probably would have wanted to go on it. But because we've been here so late, because I wanted to try and get the best vlog I could out of here in the Air Raid, we've had to sacrifice going to Glasgow, unfortunately. So we did have Glasgow in plan, and the worst thing about it as well is our planned park and ride. When we did park and ride at Edinburgh, we did the tram. Here they have a subway, and I do research before I go to these places to see which is best, and I try and get low platform vehicles. So buses aren't great for prams, weirdly enough, because there's only one or two sections. Go on a tram or a subway or a tube, the whole platform, you can go on in any section with a pram pretty much. So I was looking forward to doing it, going in Glasgow, but unfortunately we just don't have time. The time right now is 4:30. The time we get in the car, get photos, you're looking at 5:30. By the time we get going 6, takes 3.5 hours to get home, which isn't a long time. It's going to be too late to go to Glasgow, which is unfortunate. So we've got another task next year to get to Glasgow. Can I just get, obviously, before we go over to Theo, this is your second time in Scotland?
With yous, yeah.
Oh, have you been before?
I've been to Glasgow before.
You've been to the Glasgow City Centre?
Yeah.
So you've been somewhere I haven't?
When, I mean, I was going out of you at this. We was living together actually at the time.
Did we?
I went with Becky.
I was going out.
Yeah, yeah.
All those days,
you took
ago.
me to the train station and picked me up.
Oh.
That was
that
how.
Glasgow? Oh wow, that was a while ago then, wasn't it?
Well, pre-Theo.
Oh, well, that was a while, like 10 years ago then, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Have you enjoyed your time in general with Scotland?
Yeah. Other than, you know, lack of sleep last night, thanks to children, but other than that.
Yeah, premiering. Premierings, I love premierings, but don't go with kids.
Yeah, yeah.
Or babies.
Leave them choppers at home.
I don't
It was nice, the premiere. We stayed at Motherwell on the M8 or something.
M56.
No, and they left like chocolates. What was it? Smarties.
Yeah, and we did the tombola, and even though we didn't get a prize, we still got a selection box. So
Nice little thing. I do like premiering. If you're watching, I'll do some sponsoring for free open house days.
yeah, we'll plug you more.
Yeah, that's it really, isn't it?
That's it, really. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, Scotland's it for 2023.
Time's coming back to your world, isn't there?
Hey? Yeah, you
Time's
did.
coming out.
Coming back up here, I don't think it's going to be until Easter now, probably for KLM. I'm also trying to catch Tales of Edinburgh at their own grounds, and they've said about Colour Run and another place. So maybe we come at Easter and then end of June. We'll see. I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah. Theo, Have you had a good time here?
Yeah. I'll
Favourite
go
ride?
with coffee too.
I know, yeah. She's not bothered, is she? Favourite ride?
Air raid.
Why?
Amazing.
Do you know what? The rides... What?
It was wicked.
Wicked. The rides here, I think are running really well. That run about 4 minutes. The drop tower, you just have so much fun. The Miami was really good. The funhouse, there was a barrel of laughs, of course. That Paratrooper is really good. But of course, ride of the day for me, air raid. Look at it. You can't see it from here, but make sure you are following us on Facebook to see the photos I have taken of that and this ground. Of course, those photos will have already been put on Facebook, and you would have known we've already been here before this YouTube video came out. Thank you for watching our 2 Scottish vlogs. If you haven't seen our other Scottish vlog, we did go to Edinburgh Christmas markets, which was a very challenging vlog, so do check that one out. Also, do check out our other Scottish ride vlogs. We have a dedicated playlist, which is basically Scotland. This year alone, we've done M&D's, we've done KLM, we've done St Andrews, Burnt Island, a place called where Stuart's Fun Fair was. We've done Edinburgh and we've done here as well, so do check them out. We've done some the year before as well, so please do check them out. Right, but shall we? I just need to get some photos and then we'll get going home.
Okie dokie.
It's a bye from Megs.
Bye.
It's a bye from Margot.
No.
Stop upsetting her. Yeah, you can have to go through. And it's a bye from Theo.
Bye.
We'll see you in the next vlog.